sorted. The quality control procedures here are rigorous, ensuring that only the freshest premium fish are selected for fermentation. This rigorous washing process, using only filtered seawater, is crucial for purification before the fermentation stage can begin.
Precision sorting is crucial for industrial fermentation. These synchronized conveyors and grading machines ensure the anchovies are the perfect size. These towering piles provide the essential ingredient. The salt ratio is meticulously measured, as it underpins the entire fermentation process.
To achieve the ideal fermentation balance, the anchovies and salt are combined in exact measurements by this machinery.
The long fermentation process begins with the careful layering of salted anchovies.
This is the heart of the fish sauce village. Here, controlled fermentation preparation ensures the highest qualities. The giant wooden vats hold the key to the flavor. Here, a vital biochemical transfer. Automated pumps circulate the brine, facilitating the natural breakdown of the anchovies, transforming them into this rich, dark amber essence.
Here in the fish sauce village, two elements are crucial: the abundant sunlight and the passage of time.
These initial samples are critical. They allow us to monitor the delicate balance of the early stage flavor development.
Tubes under controlled pressure to ensure safety.
The synchronized sterilization line ensures that every single bottle is superheated by high-pressure steam.
Utilizing controlled volume filling, these precision nozzles simultaneously dispense the amber liquid. Through the marvel of modern automation, the village ensures that the tradition of high-quality fish sauce meets global demand. Precise alignment before the robotic arms create an airtight seal, essential for product preservation. Utilizing advanced torque sealing technology, these robotic spindles guarantee perfect precision, ensuring every bottle meets the highest standards of quality.
Every bottle. To ensure flawless product branding, these high-speed applicators wrap the distinctive red and gold labels.
As the bottles move through the warm air chambers, the labels shimmer and tighten. The rotating rollers guarantee a perfect professional finish every time.
To ensure quality control, every bottle is marked with a unique laser code. This allows for complete traceability throughout the supply chain.
Here we see the secondary packaging operation. The automated grouping conveyor aligns the bottles perfectly. The folding mechanisms are a marvel of engineering, converting flat cardboard into sturdy boxes, while the conveyors synchronize the delivery of the bottle trays.
The synchronized movements of these robotic arms allow the village to process thousands of bottles an hour, a testament to modern efficiency.
Once the boxes are filled, they move rapidly down the line to be securely taped before shipping.
Bulk logistics preparation is streamlined by these robotic arms, which stack the sealed cartons into perfectly aligned towers, ready for shipment.
To ensure the fish sauce reaches its destination safely, the pallets are tightly secured using this advanced...
Inventory preparation is a critical final step. Using handheld scanners, the team logs each pallet, ensuring traceability throughout the supply chain. By integrating robotic lifts and automated storage, we've revolutionized the supply chain, blending age-old tradition with cutting-edge logistics. Utilizing advanced sensor technology, these AGVs navigate the towering aisles, optimizing storage and retrieval in this vast facility. National distribution network relies on this efficient cold chain, moving thousands of liters of traditional Vietnamese fish sauce every day. The modernization of our infrastructure allows us to meet the expanding global demand for authentic Vietnamese fish sauce.
From these shores, the taste of Vietnam reaches the world. This intricate dance of cranes and vessels.
To ensure safe international transit, every pallet is secured with high-tensile straps, preventing any movement within the container. From these vibrant shores, Vietnamese fish sauce begins its long voyage across the open ocean, reaching tables around the world. This state-of-the-art facility is the heart of our international distribution, ensuring that authentic Vietnamese fish...
This is the retail stage of distribution. The fish sauce is transferred from the delivery pallets into the bright...
Thanks to modern logistics and this dedicated marketplace concept, high-quality Vietnamese fish sauce is now widely available.
From these traditional wooden shelves, the rich amber liquid begins its journey, reaching kitchens and households across the globe.
And here we see the final step. Once scanned and carefully bagged, the fish sauce is ready for global distribution.
This golden, umami-rich elixir isn't just an ingredient, it is the very foundation upon which Vietnamese cuisine is built. To create the perfect nước chấm, we combine the freshest local ingredients, vibrant red chili, pungent garlic.
As the golden liquid meets the intense heat of the wok, it instantly vaporizes, carrying that distinct umami deep into the vegetables and meat.
The amber glow of the nước mắm represents the heart of our village and the enduring spirit of Vietnamese family tradition.
Final touch, a dip into the vibrant nuoc cham, where the smoky sweetness of the pork meets the chili and lime.
In the heart of the village, the shared meal is more than sustenance. It is the bedrock of Vietnam culture, centered on.
The secret to Vietnamese cuisine lies in this bowl. A perfect balance of salty, sweet, sour, and spicy.
This is the soul of Vietnamese cuisine, the purest form of umami, captured in a single, perfect drop. And so, the journey ends here, where the bounty of the sea meets the rich traditions of the land, culminating in this perfect meal.
This is the essence of Vietnamese culinary heritage, the culmination of generations of craft.
A final reflection on the enduring spirit of this village, where the craft of the past sustains the flavors of the future.
Once bottled and sealed, the finished fish sauce is carefully cataloged here in the main warehouse, ready for distribution to markets across the globe.
Here in the fish sauce village, modern logistics meet traditional craft. Automated systems ensure peak efficiency across the entire supply chain.
Our advanced traceability systems ensure every bottle can be tracked from this factory all the way to the consumer's table.
The heart of the Vietnamese fish sauce village lies in its intelligent distribution system, a simple robotic precision.
Once loaded, these pallets are ready for nationwide distribution, bringing the taste of the village to tables everywhere.
Plenty. From this corridor alone, thousands of liters of traditional Vietnamese fish sauce are shipped globally every single day.
This transportation network is vital, linking the coastal villages where the fish sauce is produced directly to the major ports.
The logistics here are complex, ensuring that thousands of liters of traditional Vietnamese fish sauce are prepared for their journey across the globe.
To ensure the fish sauce arrives safely, every pallet must be secured with high-tension straps, preventing any movement during transit.
From these docks, millions of liters of traditional fish sauce are shipped globally each year, highlighting Vietnam's growing export power.
With the final containers secured, this massive vessel embarks on its international journey, carrying. The global demand for authentic Vietnamese fish sauce is skyrocketing. This shipment represents.
From the fermentation barrels in our village, the fish sauce embarks on a long journey across the ocean, arriving here for global distribution.
This bustling terminal is a critical node in the vast network of global logistics, ensuring products like Vietnamese fish sauce are delivered efficiently.
As a key regional distribution hub, this facility ensures the authentic taste of our fish sauce reaches markets efficiently across the entire continent.
Dose. The final hurdle in the supply chain is the last mile. Here, efficiency is paramount as we.
Every day, this fleet navigates the vibrant chaos of the city, ensuring that the authentic taste.
From the loading dock to the stockroom, the integration of technology like these scanners dramatically improves the speed and accuracy of the retail supply chain.
Once bottled, the nước mắm is brought here to the staging area. Employees meticulously arrange.
In this brightly lit village supermarket, the rich tradition of Vietnamese fish sauce is bottled and ready for consumers across the globe.
In kitchens across the globe, fish sauce is an everyday essential, bridging the gap between traditional Vietnamese flavors and modern cooking.
Consumers know that a high-quality fish sauce is essential. They look for the rich, amber color, a sign of its purity and depth of flavor.
And with the scan, the transaction is complete. This high-quality bottle of Phu Quoc fish sauce is ready for export.
After gathering the essentials at the local market, it's time to transform them into a traditional family meal right here in the village kitchen. Vibrant spread, centered around the prized amber fish sauce, represents the essence of our communal dining tradition.
For the people of Phu Quoc, fish sauce isn't just a condiment, it's the heart of the meal, a tradition passed down through generations. The secret lies in the nước chấm, a masterful blend of the finest fish sauce, brightened by lime and a subtle kick of fresh chili.
It is this delicate interplay of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy that defines the harmony of Vietnamese flavors.
This amber liquid is the heart of Vietnamese cuisine, renowned for its rich aroma and deep, complex flavor.
The journey from the sea to this table is a testament to time and tradition, culminating in the rich essence of our finest fish sauce.
The final sensory experience is a symphony of flavors: the smoky grill, the pungent fish sauce, and the sharp kick of fresh garlic and chili.
This final touch of fish sauce is what truly completes the dish, balancing the flavors and adding depth.
In this village, the tradition of making fish sauce brings everyone together. It's a shared heritage, savored in every meal among friends.
For centuries, the soul of Vietnamese cuisine has rested in these barrels, a timeless tradition passed down through generations. This golden liquid represents generations of craft. The fermentation process unlocks a depth of flavor unlike anything else.
This glowing amber liquid, known as nước mắm, is more than just a sauce. It is the foundation of our culinary heritage.
And so, this humble bowl of fish sauce, kết tinh of Phu Quoc soul, truly is the heart of Vietnamese cuisine.
Notice the rich, amber color and the shimmering surface. This is the essence of fermented flavor, pure and elegant.
The true art lies in the balance. This rich, salty umami flavor is the heart of the village, captured in every single droplet.
At the heart of Vietnamese culinary tradition in nước mắm, the essential fish sauce that elevates every dish on this table.
Here in the fish sauce village, tradition isn't just a concept, it's the heart of every meal. This amber liquid.
Here, the tradition of making fish sauce is deeply intertwined with the simple act of sharing a meal. This golden liquid represents months of careful craftsmanship, slowly fermenting in the heat until it reaches peak perfection.
The soul of this meal lies in the delicate interplay of flavors, the richness of the grilled meat, the freshness.
Fish sauce is more than just an ingredient here. It is the heart and soul of Vietnamese cuisine, perfected over generations. Here in the village, the creation of this golden essence is more than a process. It is a tradition passed down through centuries.
From the simplest meal to the grandest feast, authentic Vietnamese fish sauce is more than just a condiment. It is the very essence of the culture.
A journey from the sea to our tables. This is the enduring legacy of Vietnamese fish sauce.
Is the taste of tradition, perfected through generations of craftsmanship, contributing to our shared global culinary heritage.